Not getting your spends in control? No problem. We have a fix for that. Hi, I am Drashti. I work as an PPC expert at Your Seller, and today I am going to talk about how to get your irrelevant spends in control. So, among various targeting types, broad match has the most reach and visibility, but also most irrelevant spends. Broad match is basically a wide net and reaches a large audience based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. It's like throwing a net into the sea and catching variety of fishes. Let's say you're selling chocolates and the keyword that you are targeting in the broad match is festive chocolates. So, which is great. So, this gives you a larger audiences and maybe some potential new target audiences. But let's say if you are selling hiking boots, so your keyword over here will be boots, and your ad will probably be shown on boots for rainy season, rainy boots, motorcycle boots, and much more. So you might reach some hikers, but you might also be seen at the very space where people might not be looking for something that you are selling. So here comes broad modifier into the picture. It's like a net with specific holes. You can tell Amazon which words must be in the search term. Plus sign is your friend here. So for hiking boots, you could use plus hiking plus boots. This ensures your ad shows on searches like best hiking boots, waterproof hiking boots, not ankle boots or dress boots. So anything which has hiking boots in the search word. Broad modifier basically offers a sweet spot. You can reach more than what phrase offers, where words have to be in exact order, but also a better control in the broad match. So if you're currently not running any broad modifier campaigns, I would really suggest that you should have a look at your broad campaigns, check if there is any irrelevant spends, and maybe convert or create a new broad modifier campaign. I'm sure this will help you in controlling your spends and ACoS. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.